You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, the name of these fitness races and competitions, training plans, workout, somewhat like CrossFit if you want to learn more names of famous competitions and sportswear brand names. Stay tuned. Hyrox, this is a portmanteau, so it's a combination of two words, hybrid, and rockstar, which I think is the origin of the word. Hyrox, so not Hyrox, Hyrox. Hyrox. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.